Hello, we are just outside 199 New Montgomery. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. You walk in and immediately to the left is a really nice kitchen with stainless appliances. You have nice granite counters. It is an open style kitchen with range, microwave, refrigerator, lots of cabinet and counter space, and there's a dishwasher there as well. This kitchen is open to a nice big dining area and living room. It is very spacious, beautiful wood floors throughout. This unit has an amazing rooftop deck, which you can see in the photos. Okay, here is the first bedroom. It is located off the street, so it is very, very quiet. There's plenty of space for a little desk for those of you who are still working from home. And let's take a peek at this closet. Nice big closet, goes all the way back. And there you go. That is the first bedroom. Here's the first bathroom. There is a tub and shower combined. Stackable laundry machines in your unit. And walking down the hall just a little bit further is the second bedroom. This one's a little bit larger. The bedrooms have carpeting, and this one has a full bath attached. Also a very large closet that goes all the way back. Okay, and this bathroom is very similar. Tub and shower combined. You have a glass enclosure. Nice big shower head and handheld shower. And there you go. Okay, if you are interested in this unit, please go to rentalsnsf.com.